Intermountain Healthcare uses Perspectium to merge data from ServiceNow with data from other systems for detailed analytics. Listen to Mike Christensen describe Intermountain Healthcare's various uses of Perspectium.
There's a couple of things that we wanted. One is we have our incident data here in our in ServiceNow that we want to be able to pull reports out on. We also had our Avaya call data that's being tracked in a separate database in a completely different system. We have a couple of other data sources, our project server data, our PeopleSoft data, our SCCM data, the discovery server, computer data. We want to try to bring together. But initially, the problem we want to solve is the Avaya and the ServiceNow data. That was under the highest demand at the time, and we just wanted to get it together in one place where we can report off of it and have it make sense and have it correlate. So that was probably the number one problem we were looking to solve. Another thing we know is ServiceNow is wonderful at creating kind of a single level report and view into the data. It has, 22 or 23 different types of reports that you can pull. But we find that it gets really difficult to try to do a really in-depth analysis. And just one example is hierarchy. Hierarchy is a little more difficult to report on in ServiceNow. If I want to pull a manager and look at his direct reports numbers and look at their direct reports and their direct reports, it was difficult to try to get that information together. And so that's another thing we wanted to try to resolve. I think we're achieving our goals. We're achieving our purpose behind this drive.